Hey guys, it's Digital Amy. I'm here again with another hairdryer from Confu. This is model number KF3123. Comes in a great package, looks really good. If you're interested, check out the link below and let's see what's inside. The package contents include a travel bag, comb, hair clip, a concentrator attachment, warranty card, and of course your hairdryer. I love the colors on this hairdryer, the gold and the white, really pretty. I notice when I pick it up, it's very lightweight. It folds and it's compact, which is great for travel. It has a really nice long cord. It's 6 feet long with a hang-up loop, which is great. There are several different buttons on this hairdryer. So the bottom one is for heat settings, 3 different heat settings, 2 different speed settings, and this nifty cool shot button. I love that it clicks. It's really fun. So if you are drying your hair and you notice it's a little bit colder than it should be, it probably means that you have clicked on your cool shot button and all you need to do is click that off. All right, let's give it a try. I'm gonna try the attachment first, the concentrator. It snaps on really easily. And I'm gonna turn up the heat all the way because I like it pretty hot. It feels really good. I love the heat. The concentrator is really nice too. I can tell that it's pushing all of the air into one spot. And I can't believe how lightweight this is for how much power it has. Wow. All right, I'm gonna finish drying the rest of my hair. This hairdryer is another great one. Love the way it dried my hair. If you guys are interested in checking it out, the product link is below. Give us a like and subscribe to us on YouTube. We're also on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Give us a follow. Hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye.